Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. I want to talk to you about technology and what it really should be used for. All right, friends, so technology sometimes becomes entertainment in and of itself, but it shouldn't be. Technology should be a tool to help us understand other stuff. So this is a drone, and we are using this drone in physical science to understand how to calculate speed. So speed has an equation. Speed equals distance divided by time, or distance over time. So we are using a drone to fly a distance that we figured out how far it was by the use of a rangefinder. So we use this rangefinder to send a laser to certain distances, and then the laser came back here. It did a calculation in this machine. We figured out how far the distance was, so we have a known distance. Then we used a stopwatch to figure out the time it took for the drone to fly from point A to point B. Then we can calculate the speed of that drone by distance divided by time, and that gives us the speed. That's our speed calculation. That's our equation for learning how fast something is moving. So back to technology. Technology is a tool for us to better understand something. It shouldn't be just something that is purely entertainment. Your phone should be used as a tool, not just entertainment. So that's how we're using technology, folks. We're using a drone, we're using a rangefinder to calculate our speed equation. Thanks for watching.